Hello and welcome. If you want to improve your English, you are in the right place. In this video, I will tell you a simple and beautiful story in English. The story is called My Family at Home. This story is perfect for beginners learning English ESL students. Anyone who wants to understand English clearly and naturally. You will learn new words, practice listening, and enjoy a warm story about everyday family life. You can listen, read, pause, and repeat. This will help you speak and understand English more easily. Are you ready? Let's begin the story now. My Family at Home. Hello, my name is Sam. I am 14 years old. Today I want to tell you a story about my family. It is a simple story. It is a true story. It is the story of my family at home. We live in a small town. It is a quiet place. The streets are not busy. There are many trees and birds. People know each other. It feels safe and peaceful. Now let me tell you about my family. Family members. There are 5 people in my family. My father's name is Ahmed. My mother's name is Layla. My older brother is Adam. My younger sister is Sarah. And I am Sam. We live in a small yellow house. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 living room, and 1 bathroom. There is also a little garden behind the house. My mother grows flowers there. Each of us has a role in the family. We all help each other. We care for one another. Morning routine. Our day starts early. At 6:30 in the morning, my father wakes up first. He makes tea for everyone. He likes to drink his tea quietly and think. Sometimes he reads the newspaper or checks his phone. At 7 a.m., my mother wakes up. She goes to the kitchen and starts cooking breakfast. She usually makes eggs, cheese, bread, and hot tea. The smell of food wakes us up. "Good morning, Mom," I say. "Good morning, Sam," she smiles. My brother Adam is always the last one to wake up. He loves sleeping late. Sarah, my little sister, comes running into the kitchen. She hugs Mom and asks, "What are we eating today?" We all sit down and eat breakfast together. We talk, we laugh. Sometimes we are quiet, but we are always together. At 8 o'clock, we leave the house. My father goes to his job. He is a teacher. He works at the local school and teaches history. He loves his students and always tells us funny stories about them. My mother stays at home. She is a housewife. She cleans the house, washes clothes, and prepares meals. She also takes care of my little sister when she is not at school. Adam and I go to school by bike. We wear our school uniforms. We carry our books in our backpacks. Sarah walks with Mom to her school, which is very close. School ends at 2 p.m. We return home, tired and hungry. After lunch, we all do different things. I do my homework first. Then I help Mom in the garden. She loves roses and tulips. She says, "Flowers make the home feel happy." Sarah draws pictures or reads her favorite storybooks. She loves fairy tales. Sometimes she asks me to read with her. Adam listens to music or watches football videos. Then he plays with his friends outside. Dad rests a little in the afternoon. Then he reads or writes in his journal. Evening family time. At 6:30 in the evening, we all return to the living room. It is our family time. We drink tea and eat some snacks. Sometimes dates, sometimes fruit. We talk, we laugh. Sometimes we play board games. We love a game called Ludo. Sarah always wants to win. "Come on, Sam, I'm winning," she says. We also watch a TV show together, usually a comedy or something funny. This is my favorite time of the day. We are all together. We are relaxed. There is peace in the room. At 8 o'clock, Mom prepares a light dinner. Soup, bread, and maybe some yogurt. We sit and eat together again. Dad tells a short story from his childhood. We always love his stories. After dinner, we help clean the table. I wash the dishes. Adam dries them. Sarah puts the plates away. Then we all prepare for bed. Sarah goes to bed at 9 o'clock. Mom reads her a bedtime story. Adam and I sleep at 10 o'clock. Before sleeping, I like to read. Sometimes a novel, sometimes English short stories. My room is small but quiet. It is my place to think and rest. What family means to me? My family is not perfect. Sometimes we argue. Sometimes we get tired or stressed, but we always come back together. We listen, we care, we forgive. Family is not just about living in the same house. It's about sharing love, time, and memories. At home, I feel safe. I feel loved. I feel strong. My family teaches me how to be kind, how to work hard, and how to be a good person. That is the story of my family at home. Thank you for listening. If you want to improve your English, try listening to this story again. Repeat the words, say the sentences out loud. Learn from the story and enjoy it. And remember, every family is different, but every family can be special. What is your family like? Tell us in the comments.